Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to snap back your Safari search results and basically what it is. For example, when you start searching on Google and you write down some, for example, maybe some recipes, for example, cocktail recipes, and then you basically click on a link you like, for example, 91 easy cocktails. And now here on this on this page, you, for example, click on mojito recipe. After that, you find some, for example, some other tags. For example, on family, Christmas crafts, you click on that. After that, you're gonna go, for example, somewhere here. And after that, basically you forget what you wanted for in the first place, and you want to go back to your Safari search on Google, for example, and all you have to do is basically go on history right here, and after that you're just gonna click search results Snapback. So you basically click on that, and as you can see, you are now here on cocktail recipes on Google. So yeah guys, that's basically it. That's how you snap back your Safari results, and if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye!